Hello everyone. Today's review is on the PrismAlgo MT5. This one is getting some attention because it claims to be different from the usual static robots. Instead of a fixed file that just runs the same logic forever, the developer says it's cloud connected and adapts in real time. Let's walk through exactly what they are showing on the site and the live signal, and I'll give you the realistic take. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. And looking at the sales page, PrismAlgo is positioned as a live system rather than a traditional expert advisor. The servers monitor market conditions, news events, and volatility across the pairs 24/7. The EA sitting on your MetaTrader is basically just the execution layer. It receives instruction from the cloud on when to enter, when to stay out, and how to manage the trade. They emphasize that the strategy itself can evolve without you needing to reinstall anything. Now on the server side, they have a public MyFXBook account that started in February 2026 on a real $1,000 account. As of early June, they were showing roughly 122% gain, about 20% average monthly, and a maximum drawdown around 7.8%. That account was running with both gold and Bitcoin enabled in what they call conservative mode. You can check out the live signals over here and go trades. Also note that you can turn gold and Bitcoin off if you want less volatility. They make a point that every trade the signal takes is the same trade your copy of the EA would take. Now, strategy wise, they describe it as trend following. It looks for clear directional buyers and trades with it rather than trying to catch reversals. They take a lot about smart averaging, that is building positions as conviction grows, similar to how they claim institutional desks do it, but with defined stop losses on every leg, so it is not unlimited risk. They contrast this with the classic grade or marketing system that just keep adding with no exit plan. Losing trades are supposed to be cut quickly, and there's also a selective hedging capability when conditions get messy, such as hard drawdown limits and exposure caps built in. That's enough of talk. If you want to go through it, the link will be kept in the description. But let's look at how you can get the EA. Now they have plans, a monthly plan of $100 per month. They have a $1,000 plan for 12 months with 2 months free. And they have a lifetime offer for 1,500 is a one-time payment. Now for this free trial, you can come over here. Once you click on it, it will be appearing in your cards. Then you can check out. Note that the free trial only lasts for 7 days. Have you come out, we can check out over here. Have you come here and say authorize your account number. Then you come over here, you see the license key which you input in the EA. Come over to download and you download your version. And you come over to license. Once it's downloaded, it will give you a zip file which you input the EA straight into your MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisor folder. Do the same thing with the library. and you come over here and put your MT5 account number below, and that is all for it. Now I've already done that. There's also an installation guide document in the folder, so that will help you. And now onto the main thing, the back test and the graph, and whether it actually works. To be honest, the results were a bit disappointing in the fact that after following the installation guide, the EA refused to run. It seems like it's not connected. And after all endeavors, the EA still refused to backtest. And I think that's probably a cloud-based server. The fact that it's not really an EA, it's just connecting you to the main EA on the cloud. And if that one is down, it means you too will not be connected. And you have to wait for it to come back on. The continuous cloud updates also mean the strategy you buy today can be altered tomorrow, for better or worse. For now, that's it for this EA. My realistic verdict, this is not a set and forget magic printer. And the fact that it hardly works, maybe if I pay for the main account, such as the 1 month plan and all that, maybe it will work then. But for now, the free trial isn't working. That is the straight take. If you found this useful, hit the like button so more people see it. Subscribe if you want more of these reviews, and drop a comment telling me which EA I should look at next. Don't forget to grab that free robot with the indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. Trade safe. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.